Listen carefully, this is the original song.
When you know, you know.
And now, here is Mureka's version.
Puppet on strings, you made me feel lost.
Once again, here's the original track.
Tell me, tell me.
And here is the track by Mureka.
21 years, we walk this road side by side.
What if I told you your next favorite song could be created by AI in just seconds? Get ready, because this new AI music update is a total game changer. Mureka is an AI music generator, similar to Templar, Suno, and Udio. It can produce complete songs with just one click. But here's why Mureka stands out. You can give it any reference song, and it'll create something similar for you. Plus, it offers different AI singers, so you can use the same voice consistently across all your tracks. And the best part? Mureka now supports song creation in multiple languages, including English, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, and Korean. Let's dive right in. Once you log in, you'll see Mureka's new user interface. It displays trending songs from various creators, neatly organized by genre. This makes finding inspiration for your next song incredibly easy. Now let's create our first song. Click on Create, and you'll find two options: Basic Mode and Advanced Mode. Let's begin with the Advanced Mode. It's packed with powerful and impressive features you'll love. When you open Advanced Mode, you'll see 4 options for creating music. The first option is Reference Music, where you give Mureka a song you like and it creates something similar. Click the Reference button. Here you can upload your own audio file, paste a link to any existing song, or pick from music uploaded by other Mureka users. For example, someone uploaded the famous Tell Me song. Let's select that one.
Feet to the ground, heart in the sky. Together we'll dance, just you and I. Sunshine, dance for life. Catch the wave, we'll ride the tide. With every beat we take.
Now you'll see the reference song added right here. I'll type in a prompt like, "Why You Leave Me After 21 Years" song, and click this button. And just like that, Mureka AI creates a completely new song with original lyrics. Next, let's click on Create and check out the result.
21 years, we walk this road side by side. Through laughter, through tears, through every single tide. Now you're gone, leaving me with a heavy heart, wondering why. What could have made you take such a sharp turn apart?
Now, let's try uploading our own song. Give your song a title, then choose a genre. Options include pop, rock, hip-hop, dance, disco, jazz, folk, Latin, metal, classical, and more. Then, pick the mood you want, such as happy, relaxed, romantic, energetic, calm, inspired, warm, angry, or sad. When you're done, just click the Done button. Also remember that Mureka AI now supports multiple languages, including English, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, and Korean. Let's explore a few of these now. First, let's create a song in English. I'll type a simple prompt like, "Lyrics about you played with my life," and then click here. Just like that, Mureka has generated original lyrics for us. Now click on the Create button, and let's listen together.
You played with my life, twisted like strings. Sharp words cut deep, slice through my defenses. I fought back, but your touch was a drug. Drew me in deeper with every single moment. Puppet on strings, you held me tight. What sharpest blades cut me to the core. Puppet on freeze, you played the game. Bound me in chains, made me forget how to escape. Puppet on strings, you made me feel lost in your grasp, couldn't break free. Puppet on strings, you turned the key, walked me inside, couldn't see the light.
Next, I'll ask DeepSeek to write lyrics inspired by this prompt. You played with my life, but I will not play with your life. I also asked DeepSeek for a list of the best Portuguese songs of all time, and it suggested some famous tracks from different genres. Let's select one of these songs. Now I'll request DeepSeek to write lyrics that match the emotion and vibe of this chosen song. Instantly, DeepSeek generates complete song lyrics, which I can simply copy and paste into Mureka AI. Let's add a song title, then paste the link of our chosen reference song. From there, select a 30-second segment from the song as our reference. Finally, set your song title, genre, and mood, then click Done. Just like that, our reference has been added. With lyrics and the reference set, let's hit Create and see how it turns out.
Se dia o amor se foi sem dizer adeus, deixou no ar silêncio, céu sem véus. Mas no meu peito ficou tua voz, a luz que acendeu o meu ser, a luz que ficou. E se eu pudesse amar por nós dois, entregar-te o sol, a lua, o mar e os astros depois, nos teus olhos eu encontraria paz, e no teu abraço o mundo se fez.
E se eu pudesse amar por nós dois, entregar-te o sol, a lua, o mar e os astros depois, nos teus olhos eu encontraria paz, e no teu abraço o mundo se fez. No teu olhar o tempo parou e o vento trouxe o eco do que nos sonhou. Se a vida é breve e o amor é imenso, e no teu riso encontro o meu tempo. E se eu pudesse amar por nós dois, entregar-te o sol, a lua, o mar e os astros depois, nos teus olhos eu encontraria a paz, e no teu abraço o mundo se fez. E mesmo que a noite caia e o frio venha, tua memória é a chama que me acalenta. No silêncio ouço teu nome a chamar, e no meu coração mais eterna brilhar.
Ella tiene el ritmo en la sangre, fuego en la mirada, pasión que no cambia. Cuando camina en la calle la llama, todos la siguen, es pura magia. Su cuerpo es candela, no hay quien la pare. La noche es joven y ella quiere más. Con esa sonrisa me va a enamorar. Oh, vamos a bailar hasta el amanecer. Oh, la luz se apaga. Oh, vamos a vestir, la fiesta arranca. No hay escapatoria. Esta noche es nuestra historia. Baila conmigo esta noche, déjate llevar, no importa el dónde. El ritmo nos llama, no hay quien le esconda. Vive en la locura, que la vida es corta.
Ella tiene el ritmo en la sangre, fuego en la mirada, pasión que no cambia. Cuando camina, la calle la llama, todos la siguen. Es pura magia, su cuerpo es candela, no hay quien la pare. La noche es joven y ella quiere más. Con esa sonrisa me va a enamorar. Vamos a bailar hasta el amanecer de coro. Oh, la luz se apaga. Oh, la fiesta arranca.
I'm not sure if all the words were pronounced perfectly. Mureka now offers consistent AI vocals for entire albums, with new genre-specific vocal options. I'll preview this vocal named Candace.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so hard. Then I remember a light, and my dream took flight.
Then, I'll sample a few more voices before choosing my favorite one.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so hard. Then I met Mureka Light, and my dream took flight.
Once I've selected a voice, I'll give the song a title, generate lyrics based on that title, and click the Create button. Now, let's listen together.
From the first glance, I knew you were mine. A connection that couldn't be denied, divine inside. Wipe out the rings that quiet like ain't no drone. Get madly on the wrong grace. In the time and move, full blown until the way that we find. In this life, you're my anchor, my heart, my guide. Together we'll weather any tide until the end of time. We are more than just lovers. One life partners true, our hearts be as one. Through every single view, eternal bond, our destiny. A love that's cured forever and always till the very last hour.
Afterward, you have additional download options available as well. For example, you can click on Download Instrumental and Stems. This downloads a zip file containing separate audio components, such as the full song in WAV format, vocals, instrumental track, bass, drums, and other parts. Let's preview these downloaded audio files together.
In the quiet of our nights, we whisper sweet nothings, promising forever through every storm and windings.
You also have the option to download a commercial license. Simply enter your nickname, full name, email, and address, then click the download button. Mureka will provide a commercial license as a PDF document just like this. With this license, you're free to use the music anywhere you'd like. If you click on Download Video, your song will instantly save directly to your device. Here's a quick overview of Mureka's pricing options. Monthly plans include the basic plan at $10 per month and the Pro plan at $30 per month. However, choosing the annual subscription gives you a better value. The basic plan is just $96 per year, $8 per month, and the Pro plan costs only $288 per year, $24 per month. I recorded this video using the Pro plan, which offers powerful tools, including reference audio, commercial licensing, and full access to advanced song creation features. Speaking of licensing, you can easily download a commercial license by providing your nickname, contact name, email, and address. That concludes this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with others who could benefit from using the best AI voiceover generator. All relevant links, including this tool, are available in the description below. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and feedback, so feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you're curious about China's new AI video, Breakthrough is free and open source. Click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore Fish Audio AI Voice Tool Review, the best AI voice tool of 2025, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.